Have you ever pondered the process of installing Windows subsystem for Linux using command prompt in Windows? The task may seem daunting, but fear not. This guide will illuminate the process, breaking it down into manageable steps that anyone can follow. Firstly, ensure that your system is running a 64-bit version of Windows 10 updated to at least version 16.07. This is crucial as the Windows subsystem for Linux only functions on these requirements. The primary step involves activating the developer mode. To do this, navigate to the Update and Security section within your system settings. Under For Developers, select Developer Mode. A warning may pop up, but proceed by selecting Yes. This action enables your Windows 10 device to run developer-specific features, including the Windows subsystem for Linux. The next phase requires you to open the command prompt as an administrator. Type CMD into the Start menu, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once in the command prompt, type the following command: dism.x/online/enable feature name, Microsoft Windows, subsystem, Linux/all/no start. Hit Enter and let the command run. This enables the Windows subsystem for Linux on your device. Now, you're ready to install a Linux distribution. Open the Microsoft Store and search for your preferred Linux distribution. Ubuntu, Debian, and Kali Linux are among the popular choices. Click Get, then Install to download the distribution. After installing the distribution, launch it. A console window will appear, and you might have to wait a few minutes for the installation to complete. Once done, you'll be prompted to create a new user account, and voila! You've successfully installed the Windows subsystem for Linux using the command prompt in Windows. In summary, installing the Windows subsystem for Linux involves enabling developer mode, running a specific command in the command prompt as an administrator, and installing a Linux distribution from the Microsoft Store. It's a straightforward process, and with this guide, it's now within your grasp. Remember, as with any tech endeavor, patience and careful following of instructions are key. You now have a powerful tool at your disposal. The world of Linux awaits right within your Windows environment. Enjoy the journey of exploration and discovery that this brings.